flowers and give her praises, cause niggas got me strapped up, and that shit made me famous, nigga. I'm nasty on beats, but how I sound so exclusive, cause niggas see me a million times, and they ain't even do shit, and I don't do well with excuses. But talk to me about choppers and pool sticks, and how about my flow get on autopilot, watch that bitch start cruising. These niggas living fantasies, nigga, and I rejected the positives, cause niggas got their head up their ass. I wanna be in the cockpit, I never knew the hating was a hobby, but you know when I focus on her body, I know these niggas sick now too. Just asking why they ain't sign me, nigga. I'm tuned in and I'm turned up too. You don't wanna be the reason niggas get hit, they should start making the news, and I don't mean no intrusion, but let's talk about some confusion. The way niggas been out here dick riding, cause they don't have no other solution. These niggas, they faking copies. That shit is my flow get more choppy, and my report on autopsy. That's why niggas hate on and watch me ducking suckers like potholes. Just ask about how my time flows, how I'm at the plug with no blindfold. Niggas send shots through your Tahoe, no faces, no cases. And that's how I beat on my cases, plus my chopper's a throwaway. You wanna get hit with the stainless, niggas know that I'm a capo. Got respect on my poncho, nigga, my flow hot. Even though they switch up the season, same reasons that I'm nasty on beats, and they got my verses all freezing. Pull up on her right now, and I bet you start cheesing. And for my verses, they fiending, cause I can still hear niggas screaming. That shit just make my flow get all creamy, cause your eyes are so dreamy. I be there in the dark, but I know that you see me. Same nigga that invented the verse button, then flipped the screen on the TV. Now let's talk about logic, and how niggas been stuck in the cockpit, and how I been cashing these checks, but I been making no deposits, and about how I got these fuck niggas hating on the sidelines watching, cause they out here moving like bitches. And that shit was spreading all toxic. Now let's talk about epoxy, and how they made that shit to the concrete, and I got a couple white girls in the hood that can move a few Roxys. Big shout out to my circle, another Kingpin One commercial. Now let's talk about potions, rose petals and lotions, about how I like to be kissed on my neck, but we're moving slow motion, digging and scratching on my back. Pull me close and now focus, same nigga that make their bed spins. When they closing the curtains, this is a different atmosphere, and you just reaching the surface, and she know about how I live. So that shit make her nervous, twisting and turning. Who knew life would come with so many excursions? Shorty live in my mind, and certain shit got me open. I've been stuck to the script, niggas dick ride, so on diss tracks I spit. Mac 10 in the cut, and I shoot from the hip on different types of crazy ammunition. Mix up in my clip, can talk about emotions, cause that shit come with explosions. Now the nigga hit the fifth dimension, all the portals just open. Thinking back on all the work that I put in, how could I ever forget? You know that old Cupid shooter's arrow that they never go miss, and I ain't got time to hold up, but I can make you lose your composure. Same reason they go crazy, and mix that coke with that cola, nigga. Her body my gift, but now this ain't Christmas, and she ain't trying to be like one of these hip hop video bitches. They keep blowing me kisses. That shit been have my flow on delicious. Say nigga that's nasty on beats, and pay these vixens these visits. Your love is a drug, and that shit got me twisted. Without it I'll get sick, and the nigga just starts skissing. My mind just goes blank, and my thoughts just start spinning round and round and round, until that shit gets me dizzy. Same nigga that's laying down tracks and got you sitting all pretty, and from the looks of all this shit, nigga got the keys to the city. Baby girl, keep her out my vision, but I can see it so clearly, biting and sucking on the neck. After we're done, I know you gon' miss me. Your phone on airplane mode, but now we ain't tripping. You gotta be careful when your feelings start to get into mixing, cause you know that these niggas got me out here thugging, got me rapping all different. Why they mad that I'm winning? Cause your love is a crime, and they know that when they told me that, they know that you meant it.